In this clip, I'm going to talk to you about the types of wood that you can use for turning. Any kind of hardwood can make a good wood to turn on the wood lathe. This is an example of some hard maple, and underneath it is this very large log is locust. It's a very hard wood, very brittle sometimes, but it does make some spectacular bowls. Here's another good hardwood to turn, ash. And a couple of varieties of cherry. This piece right here, which is the bowl blank that we're going to be roughing out. Here's another piece of cherry. The bark looks a little different. This is an ornamental variety of cherry, but it still makes some great bowl blanks. You can also see in this stack there are a lot of varieties of oak. Red oak and white oak. Now it's a hardwood and it can be used for turning. It's not my particular favorite because oak can tend to crack while I'm working with it. But if I want a bowl blank that I'm going to turn green and want to warp out of shape, then oak would definitely be a variety I would consider.